Many state high courts have given judgments on EPS 95 pension cases for giving higher pension to the victims of the lower pension. It is clear-cut decision and there is no double meaning and confusion at all. It is also clear-cut that all the EPS 95 pensioners are not opting for higher pension in spite of the court favorable decision. The main reason for not opting is the pensioners have to pay the difference amount of their service tenure to get higher pension. Many of the pensioners are poor in finance. They are unable to pay the lakhs of rupees to the EPFO. Many pensioners are in old age and the tired hearts are getting ready to stop at any moment. Hence, dropouts number will be higher for one or the other reasons. Remaining pensioners are keeping lakhs of rupees ready to pay the EPFO. When crores of rupees towards EPFO, what is the problem in implementing higher pension to the leftover pensioners by the EPFO? There is no need of worry in implementation of higher pension and there is no need of postponement of judgment by the learned judges and there is no need of special leave petition by the EPFO and it can very well be withdrawn and proceed further. Same is the case with the minimum pension. Many EPS 95 pensioners are asking for reasonable and justifiable pension of rupees 7,500 plus DA with medical assistance as per the procedural calculation only. They are not asking beyond the capacity of the EPFO government. There is a solution proposed by some pensioners. If the EPFO could not implement a justifiable minimum pension, why can't the government is giving benefits on par with the common citizens? Many EPS 95 pensioners are on the opinion below. Common citizen is getting old age pension about from rupees 2,000 to 3,000 in the states of India. Also, they are given a white ration card and medical cards. In addition, some welfare schemes are being given to them by the state government from time to time. It is a clear central government which is funding to the state governments for the welfare of poor. The central government can very well instruct the state governments for making poor pensioners eligible for the above schemes on par with the common citizens. When the attitude is towards solution, there are many ways to solve the long pending genuine problem. It is open that the problem suppressed will become more problem and the problem solved will result in easy solution. Jai Bharat, Jai Pensioner.